Hey there, everyone! It's great to see you back on AutoGPT Tutorials. Today, we've got something super cool to talk about. Have you heard of Elon Musk? Well, he's just announced a brand new AI called Grok. What's Grok, you ask? It's a smart chatbot that's not only clever, but funny too. And guess what? We're going to explore all about it. So if you want the lowdown on this new tech that's making waves, stick around and let's get started. Before we jump in, have you ever wished you could chat with your computer and it would understand you like a friend? Drop a yes or no in the comments, and let's see how many of us felt the same. What is Grok? Grok is this new chatbot that's been created by Elon Musk's company, XAI. But it's not just any chatbot. It's designed to be like a guide from The Hitchhiker's Guide to the Galaxy. Can you imagine that? An AI that's meant to be super smart and has a bit of a funny side. It's here to help us find answers to our questions and maybe even help us think of questions we haven't thought of yet. And I've got to ask, who here loves The Hitchhiker's Guide to the Galaxy? Let me know in the comments if you're a fan and how you think Grok compares to it. Developing Grok wasn't easy. The team at XAI worked super hard, teaching it all kinds of stuff for 2 whole months. And it's pretty impressive how it's doing on tests, even outdoing some big-name AIs. It's still learning and getting better every day, which is pretty exciting for all of us who love AI. Think of the smartest person you know. Got them in your mind? Now imagine if they could learn even faster. That's Grok for you. What's the one thing you'd want to learn quickly? Share in the comments. So, who gets to try out Grok first? It's a bit like a special club right now. If you're a big Twitter user or have X Premium Plus, you might just be one of the lucky few to get early access to Grok. It's still in the beta phase, so these early testers will help make it even better. If you had early access to Grok, what's the first thing you'd ask it? Let's get creative in the comments. Ready to jump on the Grok bandwagon? There's a waitlist you can join to try and get early access. It's as simple as going to their website. I'll walk you through the steps to get on that list and get a chance to chat with Grok yourself. Hit pause, go sign up, and then come back and comment, done. I want to see how many of us are going to be Grok testers. We're at the end of our Grok exploration, and it's been a blast. This AI might just be the next big thing in tech, and we got to learn about it together. If you found this video helpful and exciting, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more awesome tech updates. Last question before you go. Do you think chatbots like Grok will be our future best friends or just handy tools? Sound off in the comments and let's chat about it.